The first step in connecting Magentrix to your Salesforce will begin with an email that contains the link to install Magentrix Managed Package, as well as an authorization link to connect Magentrix to your Salesforce. We'll first install the Managed Package, followed by the authorization. The package requires a password, which will be in the email that you receive. Normally, you want to install for a specific profile. However, in my scenario, I'm going to install for all users. And while this is installing, I'm going to connect Magentrix to my Salesforce. When you go to the link, you select Salesforce from the list, click Next. Here you have an option to connect to a production or a sandbox environment. In this scenario, I'm going to select production and click Grant Access. And the authorization is complete. Now let's check on the installed package. The package is also now installed.